All right, it's Friday, March 21st. I'm buying some SPY 565 puts here at 834. So I'm kind of reversing my position as described in the previous video. I discussed how I bought calls here on this breakout, scaled out, set up an overage trade. And even though we're not quite there yet, I'm kind of seeing just negativity on a whole bunch of stocks. And the fact that this breakout couldn't hold, we're coming back into the first bar range, about to close red here on this bar, and I think we could be heading down, towards the lows of the day. Overall, this was the potential, 4 days here of consolidation. There was the breakout point that if it, wants to continue, it could be heading all the way down to the weekly lows. We had a chance here, on the opening structure with 5 bars of pause to really have an explosive move, to fail at the bottom of this range, get through it in the midpoint and get to the highs, and we're not doing it. We're failing here right away, 1 bar up, and then we're coming right back down. So to me, it's almost as if we are breaking out to the downside here with intraday structure. But we got to get through kind of the midpoint of this consolidation area. That will then likely target that low. And then all of a sudden, we're getting a negative look to this day, and we have already a negative look to the week. We're closing this week with a shooter bar, and that could mean a little lower into next week if we stay red, below the purple line here. So we'll find that out by the end of the day. But I'm just, being kind of aggressive here, anticipating that this is a failure upside move, and we'll get to the bottom of the range. I just want to see if this becomes the high of the day right here. So if not, then I kind of took a small gain here on the way up, and I can take a small loss if it doesn't follow through here, and I'll be kind of even on the day. So I'm just going to be aggressive, just using the logic of what I saw unfolding here on the daily chart, the fact that it had an opportunity to fail at the lows and get through it. It's not doing that. So I think it's more likely this is a breakout rolling over to the downside here before the day's over.